imagine you have filter function and link to the source row when you had this data, and so you can use your reports and you have links inside this report to your source, so user can click on this link and go to a row from your big data just to edit something or do some adjustments, and so then go back to the report and see new data on the fly. And let's see how to achieve this. Okay, let's play with this small sample data set with order, some number, and if this order was fulfilled or ended, or if not, if this check is here, so this order was fulfilled. And we need to make a report of not fulfilled orders, and we'll use filter for that, and it's just that easy. We will return our three columns of data, this one, this and this, where this fulfilled is equals false, so where it is not true, so not fulfilled orders, yeah, and we have this false. We even can get rid of this false column because it is clear for us that it is only not fulfilled orders. You can see data adjacent to these rows which are not fulfilled. Okay, next you want to add something new, like number of row from here. Okay, that's not a problem. I'll just go and add this. I'll duplicate this column A and add this with row. Now what I have this row of data, and what I have also, now I see that my filter function is not quite correct, and I need to add new condition when column A is not empty. So when we have our order number, I add this rule, and now I see these beautiful rows, row number 5, 8. How to convert a row into address and into hyperlink? It's easy. Let's go to our datasheet and copy from this URL, copy this, but without this edit word, but with this hashtag. So we'll need hash and guide and equals, and all this is code of our tab. And I'll create a hyperlink with the usual function first, so you can see how it works, and add this. Now when I click, I have this pop-up, and click it again, and I go to my datasheet. But I want to add a range here. It's easy too. And range equals A2. Okay, A3. No problem. Let's go to A3, and now it brings me to A3 row. Let it be A33 or C33, no problem, C33. But now, as you see, as our data is freezed, it makes our column C and the row 33 on the left top corner. It's not quite convenient, so I want to adjust range to the whole row, and this is also possible. 33 semicolon 33, and this will select the whole row 33. Now I have good view because I see the whole row selected, and I can then go here and check this field, not filled, and so forth. So now I can go ahead and add new technique. With knowing of this, I can just copy this down to my memory, copy. Now I can get rid of this hyperlink function and paste it here. I'll do it like this. I'll add few spaces just to see what I'm typing, and to add autocomplete function to work. Hyperlink, I can click it now. I just paste my text here, but I need to add double quotes to make it look like a string. And now I can add my row 33 instead, row formula instead of 33, because I need each time I need the different row number. I'll add double quotes, double and insert my row number, and instead of this 33 in the end, I also add ampersand and add a row number. Now we have beautiful links to each adjacent row on sheet code data, but I don't like how it looks, so I will just add in my hyperlink link label here, and it will be something like this. So it will look, I'll add three similar signs, more, greater than, and so our links will look the same. I don't need to know which row it was in this case. And so you see, now it brings me to this row. When I click it, now in my report I don't see this row. Next, let's see here. I'll also click, as it was also filled, and now I don't see this in my report too. So now I can do two steps. Yeah, one step is create a report so user can see it, and next step, user can click the link and edit your data row. So it will be like talking with the report, so you can create any view on the fly, any check marks on any formatting as you want, and while your data keeps safe on the other place, but user can always return to it and edit it, and then go back to the report. And so speaking, it will speed up your work and make your work better.